The story begun from the beautiful home with Japanese style located in Linda Flora Drive, Los Angeles. Nestled in one-of-a-kind, nearly 3.25-acre modern equestrian compound, evocative of Big Sur's renowned Post Ranch Inn, offers singular architecture, exceptional privacy and security, a privileged direct bond to nature, and dazzling skyline, ocean, and Getty Museum views. The house was recently overhauled by master architect Shubin Donaldson. The three-bedroom home with separate one-bedroom casita features soaring ceiling heights with floor-to-ceiling sliding walls of glass, which welcome in an incomparable abundance of natural light and a potent indoor-outdoor connection. Plentiful mature plantings, board-formed poured concrete, wood-paneled ceilings, natural stone flooring and counters, 12-foot-high walnut doors and teak cabinetry produce a warm organic calm and an underlying sexiness. Numerous elegant flourishes abound, from the double-height walk-in refrigerator to the hidden pantry and appliances and more. Sited on its own promontory, the unrivaled grounds accommodate numerous outdoor destinations, including outdoor fireplaces, al fresco dining, multiple lounging/entertaining areas, an in-ground pool and separate hot tub, as well as a rooftop fireplace, outdoor kitchen and Baja dipping pool.